The who saw the battle of Saraighat against which power? British, Mughals, Brahmins, Koch. উত্তরটো B. Mughals. Who established the park system in the Ahom kingdom? Sukafa, Muhammad Amuli Barbua, Sohummung, Rudra Singha. উত্তরটো B. Muhammad Amuli Barbua. Which Ahom ruler built the Rangghar? Sukafa, Muhammad Amuli Barbua, Sohummung, Rudra Singha. Dr. D. Rudra Singha. Which Ahom king shifted the capital to Rangpur? Rudra Singha, Pramata Singha, Jayadar Singha, Kamleshwar Singha. Dr. A. Rudra Singha. This was the official language during the Ahom rule in later years. Ahom language, Assamese, Sanskrit, Thai. Dr. D. Assamese. Who was the first Ahom king to adopt Hinduism? Sohumning, Rudra Singha, Pratap Singha, Sukafa. Dr. A. Sohumning. Who built the Taratal Ghar? Rudra Singha, Rajeshwar Singha, Pramata Singha, Suklengmung. Dr. B. Rajeshwar Singha. Which Mughal general fought against the Ahoms at Saraighat? Yuzjullah, Ram Singh, Man Singh, Saista Singh. Dr. D. Ram Singh. Who was the first Ahom ruler to bring the Koch kingdom under the control? Rudra Singha, Sohummung, Gadadhar Singha, Suklengmung. Dr. B. Sohummung. Which Ahom ruler faced the first Mughal invasion? Suklengmung, Rudra Singha, Pratap Singha, Sohummung. Dr. A. Suklengmung. The Ahom Mughal War of 1662 was led by which Mughal general? Mir Jumla, Ramsu, Mansu, Saistar Khan. Dr. A. Mir Jumla. Which Ahom king signed the Treaty of Gilazarighat? Jayadar Singha, Rudra Singha, Sohumning, Pratap Singha. Dr. A. Jayadar Singha. Who was known as the builder of modern Assam among the Ahoms? Sohumning, Rudra Singha, Pratap Singha, Suklengmung. Dr. A. Sohumning.